What's up, everyone? Crypto J here with Shark Gains again, coming back at you with another great video for today. So, before we get into the meme coins that will make you rich by 2025, let's go ahead and look at the charts real quick, right? All right, let's get into Bitcoin. Bitcoin, we saw a lot of buying yesterday, right? So, if we go into the daily charts, you can see this big daily green candle coming right back up to that EMA, that 21 EMA, bouncing up there. If we go ahead and open up the 50, 200, and the 150, we can kind of see that, yes, we did bounce off of the 50 EMA. So our next move here would be to kind of maybe even bounce and come up into crossing the 50 EMA and crossing this resistance, bouncing in it, and maybe moving up, breaking the descending trend channel that we have over here. All right, so Bitcoin is looking good. A lot of buying going on. Hopefully we get a COVID 2020 crisis that we had shakeout event and we just pump all the way up to 100K. That would be the best scenario, of course, but we might have a little bit more down movement, maybe bounce above this 200 EMA and kind of maybe get into this resistance and start heading up. So that will be a good scenario. Bad scenario would be that this bounces here, comes back down, and maybe makes new lows. That would not be good, but I think that is unlikely after all the buying that we see going on here now. All right, so before we get into the meme coins, right, before we get into that, I'm just going to talk about Kaspa really quick. Kaspa is the best coin that you can buy in this bull run. It is going to be the best layer one coin apart from Bitcoin. And of course, there's Ethereum, right? I don't think Kaspa will, I mean, it could pass Ethereum this bull run, but it's unlikely. I think it might be in the third spot or even a top 5, right? It's going to be in the top 5. Now, where the top 5, I don't know if it's going to be number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, but it will be probably the next best layer one after Bitcoin and Ethereum, or maybe even after Bitcoin. It might pass Ethereum. But Kaspa is the best coin. If you guys don't know about Kaspa, just go ahead and do your research. I've already kind of explained it in previous videos. It solves a trilemma in the crypto, a 14-year trilemma in the crypto market. It is the first block DAG. If you watch previous videos, I do explain what is Kaspa block DAG, what are the blocks, what do they do. It's just the best coin that you can get into today. All right, so best layer one, I would put 70% of your crypto portfolio into Kaspa and 30% or even 20% into meme coins. All right, so let's, talking about Kaspa, we know this is the best coin. Let's go ahead and get into the first meme coin of the day, and you guys can see the labels up here. This sucks, right, that you guys can see the labels, but let's get into the first meme coin here. Bird Dog. Bird Dog is, it was not in my portfolio. Now it is, right? Now it's in my portfolio. We got a nice little dip down. Plus, there's good news on the way for Bird Dog. I'm not going to spoil them, but there's some big news coming. Apart from that, they have now 6 centralized exchanges, which is what I was looking for. Before, it only had like 2 or 3. Now it has 6 centralized exchanges. They're starting to gain traction and get on more centralized exchanges. So, which is why I have decided now to invest into Bird Dog. Now, let me get this straight, because I've gotten a lot of comments. Oh, Bird Dog is part of the Boys Club. Bird Dog is a Pepe friend. Yes, I am going to say that. So is Hoppy and a whole bunch of other ones, right? It is a Matt Fury character, just so like there are a whole bunch of other Matt Fury characters like Hoppy, Floppy, and all these other characters, right? But let me tell you, Bird Dog is looking like a good coin. It could be possible very good in this 2025 bull run. It is not a Boys Club coin. I know there's a lot of rumors that it's a Boys Club coin, and this didn't say that before. Listen, I go by what the facts are, and if you go by the book, the Boys Club book, Matt Fury, the Boys Club book does not have Bird Dog in the Boys Club. It is Pepe, Brett, Andy, and Lambwolf. Those are the 4 closest those are the 4 in the Boys Club. That's it. Bird Dog's not in there. It is a friend. It is a Pepe friend. It is one of the Matt Fury characters, but it is not a Boys Club coin. Now, that doesn't mean that it's bad. No, I think Bird Dog is really good, and I think it's going to take off. I think it's going to do really well. So, I am not a financial advisor. Please do not take anything that I say, buy or sell, because I've told you, do your own research. This is only for educational purposes and for fun. All right, guys? These are all my opinions, right? Everybody has their own opinion. So Bird Dog, yes, Bird Dog on Solana. There's multiple Bird Dogs, but the best one that I'm seeing so far is on Solana. The other ones are crap. If you buy any other Bird Dog that's not on that's not the Solana one, this one right here, you are getting into a shit coin, because you know. Let me, excuse my language, right? Let me explain to you. Bird Dog. Are you going to buy this Bird Dog that, I don't care about how the charts look, right? I'm going to explain to you a good reason why the other ones are not good. Even the charts are more or less, right? More or less decent. Look at your centralized exchanges. They have no centralized exchanges. And the only exchange they have is Uniswap. Why would you buy a Bird Dog that's on Uniswap only, doesn't have any centralized exchanges? And then the other one is the same thing, right? The only Bird Dog that is good is this one, is the one that's on Solana. Pay attention, Solana. Market cap, it's still at a low market cap. Look, $4 million market cap. Get in now, it's early. We've had a nice dip. This is a good entry spot right here. Centralized exchanges, they have 6. They're moving. They're getting the ball rolling. The charts look decent. So I think we've bottomed out. I think this is a good place to buy in. So go ahead and get yourself some Bird Dog. All right, let's get into the next coin of the day. Brett. Brett is part of the Boys Club. Yes, Brett is part of the Boys Club. Market cap is at $955 million market cap. It was over $1 billion. It came down under $1 billion. So we look kind of bottomed out. This is a good, decent price to buy it at. It was better probably when it was down here at 6 cents, but it's still a decent price. It's still kind of, it looks like it's bottomed out and looks like it wants to start pumping again. So before it starts pumping, guys, please get yourself some Brett. All right, this is not financial advice, but in my opinion, get yourself some Brett. This is going to be probably one of, if not the best coin, one of the best coins, or if not the best coin in this bull market for the meme coins. All right. It could pull even what a Shiba or Dodge did last bull cycle. This has 47 centralized exchanges. This is looking really good. All right, it's bottomed out. I think we're in a good price right now to buy. So go ahead and get yourself some bread. All right, so let's get on to the next coin. I'm gonna move quickly. I don't want to make it too long of a video. Today's Friday. I want to go out and hang out with my family. So just trying to make a quick video for you guys on some coins that are at really good prices to go ahead and buy in right now after that dip that we had. So Ethereum, right? Ethereum Andy. You don't want to get the any nothing else but the Andy on Ethereum. It's the best layer one, of course, out of all of them, and it is the best Andy out of all of them, right? I think there are 2 or 3 of them, but get the best Andy, which is on Ethereum. Andy on Ethereum. Market cap is at 86 million, which we're pretty low. That's really good from when we were at the highs over here. We have looked like we're bottomed out already. We're starting to pull higher highs here. So get yourself some Andy on Ethereum. Centralized exchanges, there are 9. So they're looking really decent right now. All right. So let's go ahead and get on to the next coin. The next coin is going to be Landwolf. Landwolf with $33 million market cap. Let it load up real quick. My internet, wow, is moving a little slow. Okay, perfect. So let's look at the charts. Charts look bottomed out. We're getting higher highs here. So this is a good opportunity to get yourself some of these meme coins. Look at Landwolf. Landwolf on Ethereum, right, which is 0x67. It'll have these numbers on there. So there's a whole bunch of Landwolfs, but look for the one that says 0x67, which is the correct Landwolf to buy it. It is the best one. They do have 31. Look at that. Wow. 31 centralized exchanges, guys. Well, actually, no. Let's look at centralized. All right. 18. All right. 18. My bad, guys. 18 centralized exchanges. It's looking really decent. It's at a good buy opportunity right here. So go ahead and get yourself some Landwolf. You're not gonna regret it. It is part of the boys club. The same thing for Andy, right? Andy is part of the boys club, and Brett. So Pepe, Brett, Andy, and Landwolf are part of the boys club, so you can't go wrong with any of these coins. All right, and the last coin for today is going to be Wojak. Look at this. Wojak at $43 million market cap. Really decent, nice and low. I believe they have a really beautiful chart. Look at that. Look, higher highs and then higher lows. We got a lower high right here, but that's because of the dip that happened recently. But we're starting to look really decent here. We're still at higher lows. We still haven't broken any of the other previous lows. So we're looking really decent for Wojak. Wojak, I think, is going to be a decent play. I think Wojak can easily hit a $20 to $40 billion market cap, anywhere in between there. So get yourself some Wojak. It's bottomed out. We're starting to pump. Get it before it actually pumps back up to the highs, because once it does that, it's going to break and it's going to go anabolically insane. All right, guys, let's look at their centralized exchanges so you can see they have 24 centralized exchanges. So Wojak is on the move. They're looking good. Buy it now that we're at a low market cap and that we have had a really decent dip. This is one of the best opportunities, or probably even the last opportunity to get this coin or any of the coins that I've mentioned today. Get it. Get in, guys, now before it's too late, because once it takes off, you're going to be buying in at the highs or chasing it. So take advantage now of the opportunity that you guys have on this recent dip or shakeout event that we have happened, and buy the coins that you don't have, or buy more of the coins that you want, and maybe even cost average and get in at lower prices if you did buy them a bit higher. So take the opportunity that you have been given and make the best of it, guys. All right, because once Bitcoin takes off and once the bull market starts really rolling on the next wave up, you're gonna be crying that you didn't get any of these at these lows down here, right? Looks like it's bottoming out now, and I think we're gonna start heading up soon. All right, guys, go get yourself some Wojak. Has 24 centralized exchanges, and it has a $43 million market cap. It's really decent right now. All right, guys. That's the last coin for today. That's all that I have for you guys today. Just wanted to make a quick video for you guys so that you guys can take advantage of these prices that all meme coins are at right now, right? If there's some that I haven't mentioned here today, I've mentioned other meme coins in other videos that you can go in and watch them. There are other meme coins that are at the same opportunities that all these meme coins are at right now. So any meme coins that I have mentioned before or that you like, buy them now. You have a great opportunity after this dip that's happened. Once they take off, it's gonna be too late. All right, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys have a great rest of your weekend. Love you all. God bless and peace.